Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about sharing of data from Microsoft Excel. So we are creating data in Excel sheet and now we are going to share the data using different sources from Microsoft Excel. Let us see the different ways of sharing. So under the file menu, you have information, new, open, save as, print, etc. And under that we have share. So under the share we have two options here, share with the people, and next option is share through email. In the share with the people we have two steps, save your document to OneDrive location, and step 2 is we have to share the document, and we will do it using the group we have been already saved in our drive. Okay, so this is one way of sharing the Excel data to the people through the share option. So share with the people, and next is the share through email. Okay, in the share with the people you must have created the data in the Outlook, the addresses, so that we can share with the people, and also we can save your document in the cloud. Okay, so next option is all about how to share the data with the email. So when you say in the email option, you have different format we have sent through email. So all the options are listed here, and different format also we can save through the send through the email. Okay, so this is the way we can either save it as an PDF file or any other XPS file, and so many options are there. We can use these options to send as the email option. And next, under the share we have two options, share with the people and share through email. Now next, down the file menu we have the next option called export. In this export we have again two options, create PDF or XPS document, and then you have to share it with the export it to the other applications. Okay, so now in this, under this create PDF or XPS document, we have preserved it preserves the layout, formatting, fonts and images. So whatever you have done in our Excel sheet, the format will be preserved when you are using this PDF format, and the content cannot easily be changed by others, and also the free viewers are available on the web. So this is the usage of creating this PDF file or XPS file and putting into the export option. Okay, and next is the change file type. We can also change the file type what you have done while exporting. So exporting is always giving data to other applications. So you have many options over here. There are many formats here. Whichever format you want, you can choose among this file type, and then we can save the file type and then we can export. Okay, so we have seen two options before. Under share we have share with the people and share with the email, and now under the export option you have create XPS or PDF document or change the file type. So two options are there in exporting, and the next one is the publish. Publish is another option where you can send the data to the BI. What is BI? Is business intelligence. Microsoft Power BI is a business intelligence platform that provides non-technical business users with the tools for aggregating, analyzing, visualizing and sharing data. Power BI users interface is fairly intuitive for users familiar with Excel. So here, once you create data in Excel, we know that Excel helps to create volumes of data, and those data can be shared to BI. So this business intelligence uses the data created in Excel for various purposes, and it helps for aggregation, analyzing, visualizing and so much sharing of data. So in order to share it to the Power BI, you are using the publish option. Okay, so how to use that publish to Power BI? So we have the Power BI option here, and then once you click on this, you will have the Power BI option, and for that you have to save the document in the OneDrive in business, and also you have to publish using the Power BI option, and this is saved to the cloud. Okay, so these are all the three ways the Excel documents or Excel data can be exported to different sources. So one is through the share, next is to the export, and other is to the publish option. So that's all how to export data from Excel sheet to some other resources. Hope it is simple and easy to follow, and thanks for watching.